Every day my heart opens to you and it achieves in a way only you can understand. Waking up without a world from you feels like a storm that clouds my spirit, leaving me restless. It's like each morning great greets me with this white that doesn't left because I wait, hoping that today will be the day I feel your presence, even through a single message. I don't think I can keep holding this up. I need to share with you how much it hurts when I don't hear from you. It's a longing that makes every second feel heavier than the last. In my heart, there's this image of us, of all that we could be. It's what gives me strength even on these quiet mornings. But each silence feels like you are drifting further away and it tears at me. I am haunted by the question, do you even love me anymore? There's a part of me that achieves to know, to understand if I have done something wrong, if there's anything I can do to feel your love more deeply. I hold on to the memory of your smile, your love, your gaze. It keeps me going, yet I am left wondering if that's all I have left. I wonder if this distance we are living is pulling us apart or if it's just me catch up in this one side dance where I am etching for your closeness. You know, love, I want you by my side, not just in my heart, but in life, tangibly, undeniably. I need you here to breathe with me, to be the person I can look to when the world feels too big or lonely. You are the one I choose, the one I need. It hurts so deeply when you don't reach out, because to me, every message I don't receive is like another step further into a world where I am loving you all on my own. I can't bear the thought of us losing this. I want to believe in us, in what we can build together, but I need you to be in it with me, to show me, to remind me that I am yours in the way I want you to be mine. I want us to live out this love, to be the story that that's filled with passion, loyalty, and companionship, to be a love that we can look back on one day with pride and joy, because we fought for it, because we lived it. So please reach out, take to me, let's be us again, the us that fills this world with love, even in the darkest hours. Please don't leave me waiting in this silence.